VDF personnel chamapan ga yangkai nipan Lougadouri. Manipur Police Department VDF personnel chamapan yangkai nipan direct recruitment sathagadouri. Hiram asigi matangda Manipur Sarkar ki Commissioner Home T Ranjit na Manipur Police ki DGP da irakiba cherol man hairiba na mamang sahi 2023 gi December 3 da famkhiba State Cabinet mifam na hauzik laidiba thabak hapagi athingba se lauthoklaga Manipur Police Department VDF ki post chamapan yangkai nipan direct recruitment tawbada ayaba piramkhibagi matungin na government ki ayaba do PSQ da sithi thaduna khangan khiba laire loina na masigi ayaba du yauna Police Department Police personnel sing recruit tauna ba khangal li haire Republic Day ga mari laina na Police medal lauthorokpada Manipur dagi mari yaure Kuki Police Officer manga medal Louba Lakpa Ngamloidouri ngasi pangthokadoriba humbudraga manga suba Republic Day thauram ga mari laina na laiba kasigi oina Police personnel lising amaga chama kuntraga nithoi gallantry amasung civil medal pinana ba lauthoroki bagi manungda Manipur dagi mari yaure adumakpu ngasi pangthokadaba Republic Day thauram ga mari laina na First MR ground da pangthokadaba Republic Day ge mapung oiba thauram ga mari laina na medal pinana ba miyoi taraga nipan gi list lauthoki bagi manungda Kuki furup ki oiba police officer manga de hauzik lairiba conflict asina maram oiraga medal yan thokpagi thauram asida saruk yaba Ngamloidouri Ministry of Home Affairs ki chairwala man hairiba de chahi asigi oina tongan ba category haibade medal for gallantry da personnel chaniga humbudraga manga aduga President Medal for Gallantry na personnel ani ne Medal for Distinguished Service Medal for Meritorious Service ki oina punna chatret ka yangkai umdoi ne masigi manungda police personnel gi na chatru ko humputaret fire service ki na kuntra ga nithoi civil defense amasung correctional service ki na medal kuntaret ne medal pina ba laukthoro ki baduda Manipur gi oina president medal for distinguished service ta CID CV gi inspector elangbam Bhubaneswar yauraklay medal for meritorious service ta na napki inspector general of police kabib ke CID SB dagi na oinam premananda aduga ukrul gi ASI Laisram Ramkumar yaure aduga hairiba medal sing asidi Indian Independence Day August 10 ga manga da pigadaba ne mamang sahi 2023 gi August 10 ga manga da mathau ningthina tawbagi damak medal pinana ba lauthokraba personnel taraga nipan na ngasi fast MR da pangthokadaba Republic Day gi mapung oiba thauram ga mari lainana khusinaga nei adumakpu hauzik thokliba kanglup ki rang asina maram oiraga Kuki gi police officer manga de medal yan thokpagi thauram asida saruk yaba Ngamloidouri ngasi pangthokadoriba thauram asida medal Louba Lakpa Ngamloidouri ba Kuki police personnel officer sing adude President Police Medal for Distinguished Service RD 2022 gi lauthokraba taret suba IRB gi commandant Thadon Mangkhojang Kipjen President Police Medal for Distinguished Service RD 2023 gi IGP AP2 Asin Haukip IPS Helthang Thangbolian Gangte IPS Paukhan Muan Samte Subedar First IRB Haujingna AC First IRB amasung Ginkhalal Guite Subedar First IRB ne atay atopa medal phanglagadaba singaduna Police Medal for Gallantry RD 22 da Imphal West ki ASI Ningthogjam Iboton President Police Medal for Distinguished Service RD 22 Arambam Basanta Sarama CO6 IRB President Police Medal for Distinguished Service ID 23 da Imphal East ki SDPO Laimayum Amarnath Sharma Police Medal for Meritorious Service RD 22 da Haujik taret subay MRG AC oiriba Takhelam Mayum Gojendro Subedar MPTC MPTC gi Subedar Sunil Kumar Soram MPTC gi haujik Zemedar oiriba Havildar Yumnam Gunesor haujikna Bisnupur gi SDPO oiriba OC Palel oiramba Laisram Khogen Police Medal for Meritorious Service ID 22 da haujikna CID SB gi Deputy SP oiriba Inspector Kamai Kabui Imphal West ki SI Thingbaijam Lalit Kumar SI CID SB Yumnam Prafulo retired Second MR gi Rifleman Konjangbam Pratap Singh Union Home Minister Medal for Excellence in Investigation for the year 2022 da haujikna kasom khulen gi OC oiriba ukrul gi SI Marchang Wungmahai amasung President Civil Defense Medal for Meritorious Service 2023 da Civil Defense ki Instructor Senior Phurailatpam Hemolata ne